So this is a question on two-port network, and in this network we are given there are three resistors, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, and this 3 ohm resistor, and we have to find Y12. So Y12 is equal to I1 by V2 when V1 is equal to 0. So V1 must be equal to 0. So for V1 is equal to 0, we have to short circuit this terminal. So we can redraw the circuit as like this. So short circuiting this so that V1 is equal to 0, we get our circuit like this. So this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 3 ohm, and this is our V2, and the current flow I2 is flowing like this. So if you simplify the circuit, then 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in parallel, so they will be equivalent to a 1 by 2 ohm, and that 1 by 2 ohm is in series with 1 ohm, so it will be equivalent to 3 by 2 ohm. So we can again redraw this circuit like this. So this is 3 by 2, that this is 3. So this is I2 current flowing, and this is voltage V2. Now I2 current is getting divided into 2. Let this be Ix, and Ix is the current through 3 by 2 ohm resistor, and let the current through this 3 ohm resistor be Iy. So I2 is getting divided into two currents, Ix and Iy. So by using current division rule, we can find Ix. So Ix will be equal to I2 into 3 upon 3 plus 3 by 2. So this will be equal to I2 into 3 upon 9 by 2. So this will be equal to I2 into 6 by 9. So Ix is equal to I2 into 6 by 9. So or we can say I2 into 2 by 3. So Ix is equal to I2 into 2 by 3. Now this Ix is flowing through this. So this is Ix current actually in our circuit. So this will also be Ix. Now when coming through this, then Ix is getting divided into two currents of through 1 ohm resistor and 1 ohm resistor. So the I1 will be equal to minus Ix by 2, because the direction of I1 and Ix are, because the direction of this Ix is getting divided into 1 ohm and 1 ohm resistor in like this way. So this is Ix by 2, and this current through 1 ohm resistor is Ix by 2. So Ix get divided into two currents actually, into two currents, and I1 is equal to minus Ix by 2. So I1 will be equal to, if we divide Ix by 2, then I1 will be equal to minus of, so Ix will be equal to minus of 2I1. Ix will be equal to minus of 2I1. Now this V2 is equal to 3 by 2 into Ix. V2 is equal to 3 by 2 into Ix. Because this is the voltage V2, and this 3 ohm and this 3 by 2 ohm resistor are in parallel. So, and the current through 3 by 2 ohm resistor is Ix. So V2 equal to 3 by 2 Ix. So V2 will be equal to 3 by 2 into minus 2 of I1, substituting the value of Ix from here in this equation. So V2 is equal to minus 3 I1. So I1 upon V2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I1 upon V2, the Y12 is equal to minus of 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is the correct answer for this question.